Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Notion for SEO content briefs and research step by step clearly. Open Notion and create a new page for your SEO content brief. Title the page appropriately with your target keyword. Add a toggle list for the content brief structure. Inside the toggle, include sections for the introduction, target keywords, and outline. Next, create a section for SEO research. In that section, insert a table to track keyword data. Label columns for keyword, search volume, and competition. Add another column for notes on each keyword. Use Notion's web clipper to gather and save useful articles for reference. Create a new database for competitor analysis. Include properties for competitor name, their content links, and notes on strengths and weaknesses. Use linked databases to connect your competitor analysis to your content brief. Add a section for on-page SEO checklist items. List items such as title tags, meta descriptions, and header tags. Include a checklist for off-page SEO elements. Incorporate a section for visual assets needed for the article. Create a gallery view for images, infographics, or videos. Integrate a timeline to track deadlines for research and writing. Utilize Notion's database filters to refine your keyword data by search volume and competition. Create a template for your content briefs to streamline future projects. Customize each section or field to fit your specific needs. Share your Notion page with team members or collaborators for feedback. Regularly update your content brief as you gather more data and insights. Finally, utilize Notion's export features to save your content brief in your preferred format. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.